The question says, if you simplify this rational expression, okay, we have x raised to the power 5n minus n times x raised to the power 2n plus 6 divide x raised to the power 3n minus 5n times, within the brackets, s raised to the power 3 times 3 raised to the power 3, okay. So how do we simplify this solution? Okay, so before we start solving, let us recall that some little law of indices. Okay, so some basic law of indices, we have multiplication law, okay, and we have the same base. Okay, we have this to be pick out one, we add up the index, okay, and then when we have the exponent law of indices, when we have something like this. We bring out the base, we multiply the exponents, so we have a raised to the power mn, okay, and when we have something like this, we are dividing equal base, okay, so we pick out one, okay, so we subtract the power. So let us apply this to this. So from the numerator, we have x raised to the power 5n minus n times x is to the power 2n plus 6 over, here we have x is to the power 3n minus 5n times x is to the power 3 is to the power 3. Okay, so at the numerator here, we can write this as, since we have equal base, we pick out one, okay, so we add the power, so we have here 5n minus n plus 2n plus 6, okay, for the numerator, divide, here we have the same base as well, but before we resolve this, let's work with the one in the bracket, so we can apply exponent law, okay, so using this rule, exactly, so from using this rule, we can say x raised to the power 9, 3 times 3 is 9, okay, so times, from here we have x is to the power 3n, okay, minus 5 is to the power n, okay, times x is to the power 9 when we apply the exponent law, okay, so from here we have x is to the power 5n minus n plus 2n plus 6 at the numerator, okay, divide. So for x is to the power 3n minus 5n times x is to the power n, okay, equal base multiplication. So we apply this. So here we have x raised to the power 3n minus 5n plus 9, okay. So we can resolve the exponents, okay. We have x is to the power for 5n. So we can collect the like signs, minus n plus 2n, we have 5n, okay, plus n plus 6 divided by, here we have x, so here we have 3n, okay, minus 5n plus 9. So from here, since we have division, we divide the same base, so we apply this law, we pick out one, we subtract the exponent, so here we have x, okay, we have a 5n plus n plus 6 minus, okay, the division is minus, here we have 3n, okay, minus 5n plus 9, okay, so from here we have this to be x, okay, so when we have this power 5n plus n plus 6, okay, so we open up the brackets with this, so we have minus 3n, okay, minus times minus is plus, we have 5n, minus times plus is minus 9, okay, so when we simplify the exponents, so we have this to be x, okay, so when we collect the like times, we have 5n plus 5n, that is 10n, okay, plus n minus 3n, we have this to be minus 2n, okay, so plus 6 minus 9, we have this to be minus 3. Thank you very much.